Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get D6 on Binding of Isaac Repentance. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your particular game, and once you have done so, all you have to do is simply just have to remember that you do have to go to your menu section and access this option of a rerun, which will give you this option. And here in this section, the thing that you have to remember is you have to actually defeat Isaac as a blue baby before for you to access D6. And to do that, you have to get Isaac by defeating the mom's heart 10 times. Once you have done so, you will be able to unlock Isaac as a blue baby, and you can simply choose to defeat him here in the cathedral. Once you have done so, you will be able to access D6, and you can simply find him here in the stats section. Here in the with the stuffs you have found section, you will be able to access the D6 automatically. And when you start your game, you will be able to have D6 character right over here. And the thing that you have to remember is D6 will have 6 separate rooms. For the challenges, you can use it accordingly and you can play. Just remember, you have to defeat the mother's heart 10 times to unlock Isaac, aka Blue Baby, here in the cathedral, and simply go to cathedral and defeat him for you to access D6. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.